All right, so we're gonna work out the problem from the quiz. Can I see your quiz? Somebody? Okay. So the quiz said Anthony is doing the sit-up challenge. He began with 8 sit-ups on day 1, 12 on day 2, 16 on day 3, 20 on day 4, and so on. It says find the common difference. That is the first question. Well, how do I go about this and do it faster and know that I'm doing it right? Well, you do it the way we did it before over here. So we find the pattern. What's the pattern?
Plus 4.
Plus 4. And what does that tell me? If it's adding 4?
It's an arithmetic sequence.
It's an arithmetic sequence. What's the formula for an arithmetic sequence?
D times n plus slash minus sub 0.
Alright, so I know that I have to find D and n sub 0. So I put D right here and n sub 0. What is D?
4.
4, the pattern, right?
Yeah.
The D is the same thing as the pattern. What is n sub 0?
4.
How do I know that?
Because you're subtracting minus 4.
Because 0 is right here, and if I'm adding this way, I can subtract that way. Subtract 4 from 8, that gives me 4. And to make sure that I did it right, 4 plus 4 gives me 8. So that's the n sub 0. And now I can create my rule, right?
Yes.
A sub n equals 4. That's what t is. And that just comes down. And then 4, and because it's positive, you put plus. That's it. So the first question asks you, find the common difference. Well, we have it. D equals 4. The second said, what is the next value in the sequence? Well, if you know that it's adding 4, if you add 4 to 20, what do you get? 24. Easy. The next one is find n sub 0. We already found it. It's 4. The next one says find the rule. We already found it. It's right here. The next one says, how many sit-ups will Anthony do on day 58? Well, A sub 58, because that's what we're looking for, right? Just put 4 times 58 plus 4. And that will give me what? It was 232 first. Plus 4. A lot of people forgot to add that plus 4 at the end. And they just gave me 232. That was wrong.
I was real close to putting 234.
So it's 236. That was the answer. That's it. That's what you needed to do. But guess what? If you do it that way, you get everything you need. And you do it in order. You do it from the very beginning. You observe what you need to find. Find the pattern. The pattern will tell you whether it's geometric or arithmetic. Once you find out that it's arithmetic, you can use the formula for that. And then once you know the formula, you can find the little items that compose the formula. And then the next thing, you just put it all together. When you put it all together, you find the rule, correct? Once you have the rule, you can find any term that you need. And that's all we did.
Basically invincible.
The what?
You're basically invincible in that
What? I didn't catch that. Okay, so do you guys have any questions about how do we do this? Yes.
What if it was, what's that opposite of arithmetic?
Geometric.
What is the formula?
You will not have to find the rule for a geometric sequence on the testing, so there's no need for you to learn it. Actually, to find it is a lot easier. So I'm going to put it in a different video in a second. Okay?